Once a visionary man asked why our Indian sports couldn't transcend the borders and why we all play other nations' sports has a thirst. He turned the dream into reality by hosting our Indian traditional sport internationally. That is the first Kho World Cup in India. This remarkable achievement is credited to none other than Sudhanshu Mittal, the president of Kho Federation of India. Good morning, esteemed judges and my lovable audience. I, Bala Manikandan Pillai, my topic is, has India arrived on the global sports scene? If you all have asked this question to me in past year, I would have said, well, we are still waiting for the triumph. But today I can confidently thump my chest and say that yes, we are on the global sports scene. Not just on the global stage, we are ruling it. Let's take a moment to fully appreciate India's sports journey from the past historical moment. That is from the field hockey with 8 gold medals till the current trend. From chess and everything, grabbing the headlines everywhere. Our beloved game, cricket. It's like festival in our nation. When fans gather, it looks like a Kumbh Mela. Instead of holy water, we all splash joy and sorrow depending upon the match outcome. Like our Mumbai Dhobiwala smashes the cloth in fiercely, same way PV Sindhu smashes her shuttlecock in fierce. The man himself, Neeraj Chopra, while throwing javelin, it looks like a shooting star. The actual one doesn't grant a wish, but this grants a gold medal for the nation. But behind every grand success lies a grand challenges for both player and for the nation, like discrimination. Like our country had made itself as a one sports nation, primarily focused on cricket. I am not opposed about it, but it's a reality. Few months ago, India won T20 World Cup and the state government congratulated a check of 11 crore to the Indian cricket team. In other side, Chirag Shetty, a very fine international badminton player, won Thomas Cup, and he quotes that Thomas Cup is equivalent to the World Cup, being in this state not been recognized by the state government because it's one sports nation. Now what if I say that a Olympic player is currently a Ola driver? Will you all believe me? Obviously no. The holder of 2 gold, 11 silver, 4 bronze in the senior Olympic, the unrecognized talent name called Parag Patil. In 2019, our government allocated a budget of 1200 crore for the sports sector but can't even pay 2 lakh rupees for his Olympic registration, and due to lack of sponsorship, he wouldn't make more medals for the nation. And the reality check is, we don't see an athlete on the basis of skills, dedication, guts. We see on the basis of how much fame does their parents hold or how my pocket can get upgraded. But the plot twist is, our Indian athletes are like biryani. Like a biryani needs a lot of ingredients and patience to deliver a delicious output, like each grain of rice tells a story of love. Same ingredients and patience in the sportsman delivers a delicious output, like each sweat and each injury tells a story of success. My dear listeners, if we get little scratches, we just say, just think about that athlete who brought 7 gold, 9 silver and 14 bronze in the Paralympics. Our pro kabaddi is recognized internationally, and we all can proudly say that India has won the first Kho World Cup, both men and women. The Gukesh, the chess master, achieved the world youngest chess champion title along with the Khel Ratna award, and Kunero Hampi achieved World Women Chess Champion title. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji quotes, Bharat till 2036 will achieve the dream of hosting Olympic in our motherland. Before I conclude this topic, let us remember, we all are from a vibrant nation where every challengers are met with unwavering spirit. Like our ancestor recite a powerful verse before going into the battle. That is, कमलायत लोकन लोकपते विजयी भव वेंकट शैलपते. This verse calls upon to rise, to lead and to bring the victory for our nation, and I believe that currently Indian athlete conquering the global title, and this legacy will exist forever. Vijay Bhava. Jai Hind. Thank you.